5, 6, 7, 8. Side together, side touch, side together, side touch. Forward touch, back touch, back touch. Forward touch, step, slide, step, scuff, step, slide, step, scuff. Forward hold, turn, hold, forward hold, turn, hold. End of dance. Welcome to class. This is a teach of Cut a Rug by Jo Thompson Szymanski. It's a 32 count 2-wall dance. We begin with our weight on our left, and we're going to be stepping side right. And so we step side right, left together, right, left touch. Then we go left, left, right together, left, right touch. With counts, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's your first 8. Our second 8 count is a K step. We step diagonally forward with our right foot, touch our left together, back on our left, touch right. Then we go back diagonally on our right again, touch left, back on our left, touch right. So with counts, a K step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward touch, back touch, back touch, forward touch. Should we put those two together? Let's do it. Weights on our left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side together, side touch, side together, side touch. Forward touch, back touch, forward touch. Okay, we're halfway through the dance. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to step our right foot diagonally forward, slide our left together, step our right forward again, and then we're going to scuff our left, which a scuff is just hitting the heel of your shoe. And then we do the same thing. We step diagonally forward on our left, slide the right together, left forward, scuff the right. Okay? So it's going to be step, slide, step, scuff, step, slide, step, scuff. With counts, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, slide, step, scuff, step, slide, step, scuff. Let's add that on. So remember, we begin at the top with our side together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side together, side touch, side together, side touch. K step. Step, slide, step, scuff, step, slide, step, scuff. Very good. Our final 8 count for cut a rug. Our weights on our left. We step forward, hold, turn, hold, forward, hold, turn, hold. And we step our right forward, turn left, step our right forward, turn left. And that's the end of dance because we're facing our second wall. With counts, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side together, side touch, side together, side touch. Forward touch, back touch, forward touch, step, slide, step, scuff, step, slide, step, scuff. Forward hold, turn, hold, forward hold, turn, hold. End of dance. From the top with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.